Good morning, my friends, or should I say good afternoon. Today starts the first day of my staycation. Staycation, just in case you guys don't know, which I'm pretty sure you guys do, it's where you're off work, but you're not going anywhere. I have nothing planned, so I'm just going to spend these 10 days just going with the flow. Hopefully something comes up and I don't have to just spend my vacation not really doing much of anything. You know, just having a vacation from going to work is enough for me. But this is my outfit of the day. I got this shirt from Target. I think it's from Wild Fable. And then these jeans are also from Target, Wild Fable. And my shoes are also Wild Fable from Target. As you can see, I love Wild Fable. I like shopping at Target. I just don't like working there. But right now, I have to go and get my son. And we'll just go from there. It is hot out, you guys. It feels so good. Okay, I am in. I always lock my doors when I first get into my car. But first I have to drop off my rent. Oh, T-Swift. I have to drop off my rent because it is the 1st. At my building, you have from the 1st until the 5th to drop off your rent. And after that, it's like they add on $5. But I gotta kick this air on. It's hot. So I'm gonna drop off my rent first. And then proceed to get my son. Where is my... So, the term ended yesterday, and of course, I ended it with an A. I was so happy, but there's no break in between terms, so today starts the next term, which I'm not gonna start looking into that until tonight. This week is fairly light, so I'll be completing that first assignment tonight. So I'm so happy I passed my class. Now on to the next 8 weeks. Woo, so fun. Looks like it's gonna rain, not surprised. It's been raining non-stop. Like non-stop for the past few days. Well, not non-stop, but like every day it's been raining. So I'm going to drop this off real quick and I'll be right back. And I'm back. You know, I love doing car videos, but I want to listen to some music too. My channel is not monetized because obviously I don't have enough subscribers or watch time, so either way, music or not, it's not going to be monetized, but I'm trying to, well, I want to gain those subscribers and the watch time to have my videos monetized. So I'm not going to have music in my video. So I've been talking about this for a while now. I want to start doing videos. Since today is the first day of my staycation, I want to start, I want to say tomorrow, just start off small, you know, because I love makeup, I love beauty, and I think that is my niche. Mukbangs isn't really my niche, you know. I'm gonna still do both, but I think beauty videos is definitely my thing, and that's what I want to go for. So I don't know whether I should create another channel or just include that in the channel I already have. We'll see. But I'm going to get my son, and I'll see you guys when I get there. Hey, baby. What do you have in the bag? You got a lot of stuff in the bag. You spending the night? Okay.
6 days. We're going to for 6 days.
For 6 days?
Yeah.
Wow.
Did you know that?
No. Obviously not. You want to go to Dale's? Woo! Well, you have to be quick. Cars be shroom. Do you know what you want? We'll figure out what you get.
Chocolate covered sprinkle.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Good. Can I get 2 orders of the 6-piece nugget?
Kids meal or just like
Just 2 orders, yeah. 2.
2 6-piece nuggets?
Yeah.
Just the nuggets?
Oh, and the meal too.
Okay, so we have 8 count.
Yeah, 8 count.
That's
Yeah.
our lowest.
Okay, yeah. Sorry.
And the drinks for both of those.
Can I get 2 sweet teas?
Yeah, is that everything?
That is everything.
Okay, any sauce?
Chick-fil-A and Polynesian.
Okay. It's $14.54. Are you paying cash or card?
Card.
Alright. And just your name for the order.
Kimberly.
Alright, you can pull around.
Thank you.
And one time I was at my friend's house. There was
Really?
yeah.
Is it diet?
I mean, 5.
Chick-fil-A.
And
I never stumble over my order when I come here. I don't know what's wrong with me today.
2 Happy Meals had no chicken nuggets, but 3 Happy Meals
Brayden, what are you talking about?
did.
Oh, McDonald's?
Yeah.
Yeah, they always get crap wrong. No time for that.
Had 3 nuggets and 3 bags. Happy Meals.
Yeah, I don't mind that Chick-fil-A is small because
Chick-fil-A never gets nothing.
I mean, not every restaurant or worker is perfect, but McDonald's. McDonald's is the one restaurant that always gets everything wrong. The second one is Wendy's, especially the one close to here. Teenagers freaking work there, so they don't really care about nothing. They just throw your food in a bag and give it to you. Like, here you go. So I stopped going to that Wendy's. Yes.
Here you go.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
I'm gonna keep your put that thing down back there. It's big, so be careful, please.
There's a wrap on the straw.
Take it off. I want to drink it.
Here you go.
Thank you. Have a good one. I would park over here and eat. I'll park somewhere else. Actually, I'll park right here. It's fine. Alright, so we are at Chick-fil-A, and this is what I got. 2 6-piece nugget with sauce and 2 medium fry. You want to get up here, baby? Want to move up here? To be easier. So. These are my nuggets. In case you guys know what Chick-fil-A looks like. You want your sauce open? Here's some napkins. Come on, don't be careless. Wait, where are the napkins at?
I don't know, open this because I want to spill it. Get my nuggets. I'll get one. Good as always.
Or just dip your nuggets in this sauce? Well, open your nuggets, huh? Yeah. Okay, so guys, we just pulled into Marshall's, and I'm just gonna look around and see what they have. Just
Marshall.
it's hot, but I'm just gonna
What's Marshall?
Enjoy the day out, I guess.
Mom.
So I'll see you guys inside.
Where are these?
$16.99. Think I should get it.
We should.
I should?
Yep. It would look cute on you.
This is so adorable. Oh my god.
Whoa.
That's cute. These little chairs.
Look cute.
No, this is really cute.
I agree.
$29.99. Good things come to those who hustle.
What?
That's what it says. Good things come to those who hustle.
Hustle?
This is kind of like the boring section. Not from my room. My room is like pinkish. And that girl would just throw it off.
Says yeah. Look at this heart.
You can get a toy, not that.
Alright.
Put that down, because you don't need a gold heart in your room.
Wait, I can get a
But that's
what?
cute.
I can get a what?
You can get a little toy.
It is kind of cute. It's like 100 of these elephants.
That fan is cute.
Yeah, I was gonna say, if it's hot in your room, you can just fan that. Even me.
Go see what the
See what the price is?
yeah. Let me see the tag. Lift it up. No, the tag. Lift the tag up. $24. Yeah, put it back. I'm not gonna pay $30 to blow air. These are on clearance for like
How do you
$13.
stick those really good?
I want a plant to put in the corner of the freaking living room. You know where the Christmas tree used to be?
Oh yeah.
Like a table and then a plant on top of it.
Yeah.
But
We have to like decorate our house a little bit more.
isn't this a nice table, you guys?
Yeah,
Don't know what I
it's
would
a
use
nice
it for, but
Oh, you can use it for. Oh, this one. This will be a good fluffy couch
where would I put that at?
in the living room. So you
No, I
have-
wouldn't. Where at?
in the living room. So
My couch is brown.
no, in the living room. So we can just set it in the middle. So we just put our feet up on this.
The couch has an recliner.
But we can
Recliner.
use another incliner as this.
No.
Oh, this is so cute.
This is really cute. Eyeglass organizer. Really?
I would want that so I can keep all my candy in there so you will not know where my stash is. It won't open.
I'll always know where your stash is.
Not if I don't tell you if I have that.
Brayden, how much is this? $8. Heck yeah, I'm getting. Hey, go get a buggy.
Huh?
Go get a buggy. That's what a waffle maker is. You're so smart.
I watched videos about it.
Oh yeah, well all of society knows about waffle makers. Oh,
And there was
so
this guy, he
cute.
put eggs in the waffle maker. He put bananas in the waffle maker.
Okay.
I want to get the toy at the end.
I love blankets. Fine. Okay guys, so we are back home from being out and about and it's so hot. Is it hot out, Brayden? It is so hot outside. Brayden is now about to write on his chalkboard, as you can see. And I'm gonna put some stuff away. I'm gonna show you guys what I got from Marshall's. And then go from there. So at Marshall's, I got this cute little mini waffle maker. I saw this and I thought it was just so cute. And I don't have a waffle maker, so I'll be utilizing that tomorrow morning. And then the next thing I got is this pink sunglass organizer. Yeah, it's this sunglass organizer. And I just thought it was really cute because it was like pink. Obviously, it's not going to hold all my sunglasses, but I thought it was pretty cute. And it was like only $8, so of course. And then I got this pajamas. You guys saw it in the video. I got this robe. It's a cute little robe. Let's see if I can hold it up for you. But it's a robe, so you see the pattern. I just thought it was really, really cute. My son got a Play-Doh set toy, like a Play-Doh. And I got this night dress. You guys saw it in the video as well. I got this night dress. I thought it was pretty cute. And that was all. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to end this vlog right here. I want to give a big shout out to Lee ASMR. She commented on my other videos. Thank you so much, Lee ASMR, for showing some support. Hope you subscribe if you like the content. And I am so excited to be starting beauty content because I love beauty and I just love makeup. And like I said before, I feel like that is my niche. So I'm just going to relax for the rest of the day with my son. He's going to be with me for the next 6 days because I'm on staycation. And yeah, I'm just going to chill with him. And this AC, because it is god awful hot outside. And don't forget to like this video if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell to get notified of all my future videos. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.